Good afternoon, boys and girls. Good day to everyone. Mayong adlaw sa tanan. Okay. Good day to all followers and non-followers. So, we are here sa atong area. Alright. So, naka-chance na po ta. So, maghawan-hawan na po ta, boys and girls. Oh. Okay, baga na po kayo sagbot. Alright, let's go. Pasingot ta, boys and girls.